everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *pound 06 pound. 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *pound 225 pound *. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to choose if you want to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. The code for it is *pound 4636 pound *. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone info, Wi-Fi info and usage statistics. Let's begin with the phone, and as you can see here we can check the info like the email number, car network, data service or roaming. I know that you cannot check my status, let's say. It is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. If you will have your and then you will be able to check the info. We can run ping test here. What's more, we can tap on the three dots icon and, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's enter usage statistics. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all apps and actually processes which are currently on this device. So for example, currently they are sorted by usage time. Of course, you can change it to the last time used or app name. And now we can check that I've been using the camera for almost 3 minutes and so on, so you can check the stats. Here we've got the Wi-Fi info, so we've got the API configuration and the status. So for example, let's enter the status, refresh the stats, and here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So let me get back, that's all for this code, and let me show you the last code which will open the diagnostics. And the code for it is *pound 426 pound *. And here in the diagnostics we can check, for example, the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see right here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.